Are you looking for a vacuum cleaner mop with a two-in-one function but don't know which one to choose? Well, you've come to the right video, because that's what we're going to explore today in this top 3 comparison of the best mops that can both vacuum your floor and clean it. So you'll only need to make a single pass to really clean your entire floor, unlike the older method of vacuuming and then using a mop to clean the floor. This will save you a lot of time thanks to this versatility. Today, I will present to you some of the highest rated models available on the market, and I will include all the links right below in the description in case you want to order one of the models or just see more information. We will proceed in order of price, from the most expensive to the least expensive. Of course, these devices are going to be relatively expensive because they save you the cost of buying both a vacuum cleaner and a mop. That's why they come with a certain price tag, but they can save you money in the long run since you only buy one tool instead of 2 or more, and they can also save you time, even a lot of time over the long term. So let's get started right away with the first one, which will be the Rowenta Clean and Steam, a 2-in-1 multi-steam cleaner. You will clean with steam, which is great. That's why it's becoming more and more common today. With steam, of course. It cleans very well, really removing 99% of germs, bacteria, etc. But without any chemicals, it's really a natural cleaning method. That's why it's very quote-unquote trendy. And so it will also be able to vacuum on the floor, on all surfaces. So we really have a lot of possibilities with this one. Indeed, you will be able to clean deeply, achieve effective cleaning of all surfaces, and save time daily with the suction head that cleans and vacuums at the same time, literally halving your cleaning time. A removable handheld steam cleaner, practical and effective, that will allow you to clean even the toughest stains in hard-to-reach areas. You will therefore have a healthy cleaning because with steam, we won't have any chemicals. However, it eliminates up to 99.9% of bacteria. It has a repairability of 15 years and a 2-year warranty. Exceptional performance with advanced cyclonic technology that provides optimal separation of air and dust for long-lasting cleaning results. And a multitude of accessories that will offer great versatility to clean everything in detail. It doesn't stop at just the floor. You can use certain nozzles on faucets, on the walls in your countertop, in the kitchen, the shower, etc., the sink, and all sorts of things. To get more information about this model, which is rated 4.3 stars out of 5 based on over 1,000 reviews, which is quite good, it will be the first link in the description. The second product I present to you, which is also an extremely popular item, and indeed the most popular in this selection, is the BISSELL CrossWave, a 3-in-1 vacuum, cleaner, and dryer for hard floors and carpets. It will have 4.2 stars out of more than 12,100 reviews, which is quite impressive. And in terms of price, it will also be slightly cheaper than the first model I presented to you. We will therefore have a cleaning vacuum for hardwood floors, carpets, and hard surfaces that will vacuum, secondly wash, and thirdly dry in a single step. So here we really have the 3-in-1 aspect. We will have a dual tank system that separates the cleaning solution from the dirty water to ensure that you are always cleaning with a mixture of water and fresh formulas. The multi-surface brush roller has a dual action. It uses an innovative microfiber brush, allowing it to both soak up and collect dry debris at the same time. You will have the smart touch controls on the handle, which will allow you to easily switch between hard floor cleaning and carpet cleaning, so with the push of a button, you can change this mode very quickly. It has a dustbin capacity of 0.6 liters, making it suitable for various surfaces in your home, including tiles, hardwood, hard floors, etc., as well as carpets and rugs. At this level, it can really be a good idea to go for this one, especially since it is already the most popular choice in the selection, which is a very important argument. And we will conclude with the last one, which will be the Tineco iFloor 3, a smart cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. This one has a rating of 4.5 stars out of 5 based on over 1,900 reviews, making it the best average you can find, even though the number of reviews is slightly lower than, for example, the BISSELL CrossWave. This model will be cordless, which can be very convenient to avoid dealing with a cord, etc. It will definitely run on battery. It will feature a digital brushless motor of 150 watts that boasts an innovative design, delivering a fairly powerful suction while remaining quite silent, and this will allow for the combination of all this with unique materials to reduce noise. So, we will have the freedom of being cordless, To talk about it, we can use it once we have charged it for 25 minutes, which isn't a lot, but it might be enough to clean around your home. Then you just put it back to charge and you will use it. Next time, we will have a self-cleaning cycle, so you won't even have to touch a dirty brush or anything. With just one click, the device self-cleans its own brush and tube with clean water and cleaning solution. You will be able to see in the video how it works, but it is quite innovative. You will be able to clean everything, including stains and pet hair on hard indoor floors such as tiles, vinyl, hardwood, and laminate. The marble and more with a dual tank system that keeps clean and dirty water separate, allowing you to always clean with fresh water. You can once again vacuum and clean simultaneously, so it removes all stains and even cleans everything that is dry, like crumbs, if you drop cereal, no matter what. Plus, this one is cheaper than the others, making it the most accessible option in the selection. It is highly rated, so it can also be an interesting choice. That concludes our top 3 comparison of the best all-in-one vacuum and mop cleaners available on the market. Now, if there is one that interests you among these 3, please check the links just below in the video description. By following these links, you will be able to see more images, more information, check the customer ratings for yourself, see the exact prices, and so on.